says rabbit. What do R say? What does R say? R for rabbit. R for rabbit. So this is capital letter R and this is small letter R. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter R and this is small letter R. So how do we write this letter R? First we'll take this index finger and we'll just trace these letters, okay? Make a standing line, make a curve. This becomes P, and then from here we are going to make a slanting line which completes the letter R, capital letter R. Then how do we write small letter R? Make a standing line and make a small curve from here. Small curve. So this is the small letter R. So now say the names of the pictures that begin with R sound and color them. Which picture is this? These pictures are those pictures that begin with R sound. R for rabbit and R for rose. Say all of you. R for rabbit. Sorry, R for rat and R for rose. Once again we'll say R for rat and R for rose. So now we are going to write the letter R. R for reindeer and R for rainbow. Say all of you. R for reindeer and R for rainbow. So let's start tracing the letter R. Tracing the capital letter R. So we'll take the pencil. I'm using the pen so that you can see it clearly. Okay. So let's start tracing it. Letter R. So you can see there is a red line given here. So this is a red line, right? And this is a blue line. We are going to write in between this red line and blue line. And even you can see the green dot given here. So we are going to start from the green dot itself. Okay. So we'll keep our pencil point over here and then we'll make a slanting line. Standing line. So this is how we are going to make a standing line, right? Then again from the green dot we are going to make a curve. We are going to make a curve. ये क्या हो गया? कौन सा लेटर हो गया? P. फिर हमें R लेटर लिखना है तो क्या करना होगा? From here we are going to make a slanting line. So we have completed writing letter R, capital letter R, slanting line ऐसा. Once again green dot, then standing line, then make a curve and make a slanting line. This is capital letter R. So now we'll write where there is no tracing dots. Okay. So here you can see the green dot. We'll start from here. Make a standing line. Make a curve. And then make a slanting line. This is how we are going to write letter R. R for reindeer. R for rainbow. All of you, each time when you write, you have to say and write. What will you do? Each time when you are writing letter R, you have to say and write. What will you say? You have to say R for reindeer, R for rainbow, R for rabbit, R for rat, R for rose. So now make a standing line, make a curve, and then make a slanting line. R for rose. Now we'll learn writing the small letter R. Now we'll learn writing small letter R. So you can see the small letter R. So we'll just trace the pattern to complete the rockets. We'll just trace the pattern so that we'll complete the pattern. Rockets, standing line and small curve. Okay, standing line and small curve. Okay, rest is your homework. This 3 you have to do it. Then we'll just start writing. Trace and write letter R. How will you write? First make a standing line from the green dot itself. This you have to write in between 2 blue lines. दोनों ब्लू लाइंस के बीच में लिखना है. कैपिटल लेटर हमने रेड और ब्लू लाइन के बीच में लिखा, राइट? एंड बट विल राइट द स्मॉल लेटर इन बिटवीन 2 blue lines. So make a standing line and make a curve. Okay, make a standing line and then make a curve. Standing line and then make a curve. देखो ग्रीन डॉट है यहाँ पे, यहाँ से स्टैंडिंग लाइन, इसके ग्रीन डॉट के थोड़े नीचे से स्टार्ट करना है और कर्व बनाना है. ओके, ग्रीन डॉट के थोड़े से नीचे से ही स्टार्ट करना है और कर्व बनाना है. विल डू वंस अगेन. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, थोड़ा नीचे से स्टार्ट करके कर्व बनाएंगे. दिस इज हाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड राइटिंग स्मॉल लेटर R. So now here we are going to write letter R. This full boxes you have to complete and then you have to write the small letter R. That is your homework. So underline R in the words. Underline R in the words. How will you underline? Underline R in the words. So R for rat. So on, run, all these words you can see there is a letter R. जहाँ जहाँ आप देख सकते हो लेटर R है, वहाँ वहाँ आपको क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन करना है. So let's underline the letter R. R के नीचे हमें अंडरलाइन करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? ऐसे ही आपको बाकी के 6 लेटर्स जो है उसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना है लेटर R के नीचे. देन राइट R बिलो द पिक्चर्स. राइट R बिलो द पिक्चर्स. So now R for ring, R for rainbow, R for rhinoceros, R for rocket, R for ribbon and R for radish. So you have to say and write letter R. Start writing capital R and then small letter R. This is how you are going to write it. You have to say and write R for ring, R for rainbow, R for rhinoceros, R for rocket, R for ribbon and R for radish.